This will be the main public elevator at Flatiron Crossings Mall, Broomfield, Colorado. We have a Dover Impulse. See if we can see it coming down. Yep, here it comes. I love the brickwork around the elevator here. Before we go anywhere, let's get a cab view. Completely glass back cab. This is very nice. Oh, custom Impulse. Even better. All right, let's watch the indicator first then. Bit of a rough start there. This may should be my first custom Impulse. I don't recall riding another one. Very faint and quiet chime. Let's look out the window. Door close does not work. We're going to look out the window again. Yeah, rough start there. This is a beautiful mall. Seriously, this is a nice property. Oh, going down? Come on in.
I'm like, that was perfect timing.
Yeah. Come on, man. I'm just doing a little blog on elevators, that's all.
Oh, of course. I'm just like, that opened up perfectly.
Yeah. Here you go. You have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
We'll look down here. There it goes.